Hello and welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. If you've been following me for a while, you know I like to play and experiment in my sketchbook. And today I will show you a fun approach and then we'll give you an assignment to fill a page in no time in a colorful, playful and creative way. Today's materials are a watercolor, a brush and a watercolor pencil. I'm using a Hahnemühle watercolor sketchbook. I don't know about you, but I often tend to draw with a line tool as my first go-to and then I add color to my line drawing. Let's do it the other way around. Put down color first and then add line. And maybe use minimal line to add an extra challenge. Use a brush that's fat enough to actually paint instead of drawing an outline or details. My brush is a Pentel Aquash water brush with a broad nib. Just a few strokes of paint is enough, no fiddling. Quickly paint the overall shape of your subject. You can let the paint dry and then use any line tool on top, but since I'm impatient, I want to draw on top of my blob right away. That's why I'm using a Derwent Inktense colored pencil. It's water soluble, like a watercolor pencil, so I can draw on top of the paint that is still damp. When drawing, keep your line minimal. Do not outline your blob. The shape of the blob is already giving a lot of information. The watercolor blob already has sharp edges. You can use that rather than trace that. No need for that. Keep it minimal, airy, loose and playful. Just add a bit of information to clarify what you're looking at. Stop before you start fiddling. Well, you get the idea and here's your assignment. Choose a simple subject. It can be something completely mundane or boring. I promise that when you start painting it, it won't be boring anymore. Use a bright color, and that can be any color. It doesn't need to correspond with the color of the thing you're drawing. Set the mood or the tone with the color. Then draw on top with minimal line. Challenge yourself to add just enough information for the viewer to understand what they're looking at. The eyes and the brain fill in a lot of missing information, so you can use that to your benefit. I'm putting a frame around my blobby painting drawing to contain it and to finish it. Simple, colorful and playful. What more do you want? I hope you have fun. Thank you for watching and I hope you'll be here again next week. I will, with a fresh Draw Tip Tuesday video. I'll see you then.